Hey guys, Frank Doorhof here. Welcome in our studio in the Netherlands and welcome to a new class on Kelby 1. Do you ever wonder how can we get more creative with our photography? Are you a little bit afraid when you look at those websites and you can see all those props and they are pretty expensive and you don't know what to buy? Why not start with the stuff that you already have? Why not get some, let's say, emergency blankets, or maybe get a torch? If the light is too bright or too large, use a little bit of piece of cardboard. You will find out that in this class, you will look at your photography equipment in a totally different way. There are no more excuses. I don't have expensive gear, I don't have expensive backdrops. After this class, you will make the best of even an emergency blanket. Join me on this new class on Kelby 1 to create great images with cheap materials that you can find in and around your house. And you probably already have a load of them that I'm going to show you in this class. See you online!